You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this originally Scottish carbonated soft drink, described as Scotland's other national drink. The Scottish pronunciation used in Scotland: Irn-Bru. Irn-Bru. Now it's generally said in the UK generally, or in English, Irn-Bru, as in a brew, you know, when you brew something, as in a beer. Irn-Bru, like iron, brew. Yeah, it's easy, and now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.